So yes, everyone knows a Rubik. You have to be smart enough to solve a Rubik's cube. But like, if you go step by step, you'll manage to learn it eventually. Which is pretty much what I've done all day. I just probably spent all day today just solving a Rubik's cube. So I think I started at 9 o'clock to like 5:30. Uh, I give credit to easiestsolve.com. I give credit to easiestsolve. It was he does like the best like showcases and all that. So yeah, thank you easiestsolve for like doing it. So I'm gonna try and solve that again and see how long it takes me. Alright, so this is a stopwatch. This is my cube. Alright. Alright, the time starts now. Alright. Okay. There's another one of these. The white cross, the green. Alright, the white side's done. Now I gotta do the 2 layers. So far it's taken me 1 minute 24 seconds, so yeah. Alright. Blue and orange. Orange, blue. So alright. But just so you know, I've written all these strategies down there. So yeah. I'm at 1:45, so let's do this. Alright. Orange, blue, orange. Alright. Alright. Away. Alright, got a yellow plus. Got a yellow plus right there. Now I'm gonna solve the yellow side. Now we're at 3 minute 45. So, front, up top, right, down, up, right. Yeah, I just didn't seem right there for a second. Sorry. Oh my god, there's a yellows there. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Sometimes I get mixed up with the last steps. Alright, boomerangs to face this way, good. Alright. Oh, okay, I got a yellow plus. I am at 6 minutes. Step 6. Clock count. Oh yeah. Alright, turtle. Right, probably I'm at the last step now. Alright. No matching corners. No matching corners, so what should I go with? Let's say I'll go with green. Alright. Counter. Which carries counter? Counter. Clock. Counter. Flip. Clock. Down. Counter. Counter. Flip. Flip. Any matching corners? No. No. Alright. I'm gonna do that again. Count. Oh, wait. counter. Wait. No, that's, yeah. Counter. Wait. Yeah, that's right. Counter. Clock. Counter. Flip. Clock. Which is counter again? Counter. Counter. Flip. Flip. Oh, I messed up. Okay, this is my second attempt because, yeah, I kind of screwed up for a second there. So I'm gonna try again. 3, 2, 1. I'm nearly at 1 minute 30. I'm on step 5. Alright. Do I always have to do it like this? Did I just screw up again? Alright, attempt 3. Here it goes. I feel like I'm used to the left side and the right side. Okay, that's done. Boomerang. Right. Front. Up. Right. Up. Right. Front. Yeah, I got it. Oh, I got it immediately. Alright. Let's see here. Clock. Clock. Counter. Clock. Clock. Flip. Counter. Alright. Fish. Clock. Clock. Counter. Clock. Clock. Flip. Counter. Alright, any matching corners? I'm nearly done. Hope I can do this. Which side? None of them have matching corners, so I'm just gonna go for a random one. Just count. Sometimes I forget which one's clockwise and counterclockwise. Alright. Counter. Clock. Counter. Flip. Alright, clock. Counter. Counter. Flip. Flip. Damn it. So this is my 4th attempt, and I think I'm like 15 seconds, 20 seconds in. I nearly have a white side after the second step. Oh. Should be easy. What do I do? Left. But then the corners don't match up, so the corners don't match up, so that's a problem. Damn. Don't need to do that. I think step 6 is like where you solve the yellow. So I'm technically at 2 minutes 20. I'm technically at 2 minutes 20 now. Alright. Yellow. How the hell do I do this again? Yeah, total. Wait. Clock, counter. Clock, flip, counter. Alright. Oh, green has matching corners. I don't know if I could get this or not. I only have red though, so okay. Anyways, let's do this. Which one is counter? Counter, clock, counter, flip, clock, counter, flip, flip. Okay, at least I didn't screw up because the yellow and white are still intact. Okay. Thank goodness. Alright, let's do it again. So I gotta follow these steps carefully. Okay, so I wasn't following it carefully. I'm at 4 minutes 20 now. Nearly. Alrighty. Counter. Clock. Counter. Flip. Clockwise. Counter. Clockwise. Which is counter? Flip. No, I'm gonna have to watch a video again. Probably I'll get into 5th attempt. Alright, this is now my 5th attempt now. I'm gonna scramble it again. Properly, so I don't make any mistakes. Okay, I gotta follow these procedures carefully. Red. Let's go see it off. Oh my god. Hope I don't screw this up again. And I'm at 2 minutes 40. Counter. Clock. I'm just gonna do this slowly. Counter. Flip. Clock. Counter. Flip. And I screwed up again. Alright, my 6th attempt. think this is it. We have the matching corners. Red corners. Okay, here we go. Hope I get this right. So, counterclockwise. Wait. Oh! Okay, yeah, no. Counterclockwise to the right. Oh, I'm dumb. Okay. I was doing it the wrong way all this time. Counter. Clock. Counter. Flip. Clock. Counter. Counter. Flip. Flip. Oh, I didn't quite get that. But hey, I have some tricks up my sleeve. If it really works. Nope, it doesn't. Well, luckily I just backtracked to solving the white side and the T's on all that, except for the yellow. Yeah, let's say that's a checkpoint. I'm getting there, Alright. Which one should I go with? Okay. I think we're getting there. Alright, let's do this. I'm nearly there. I'm just right there. I can feel it. Blue, green. Oh. Oh, great. I mean, blue and green are the opposite. Blue and green. I'm literally terrified that I might start all over again. Wait, let's counter. Just checking the battery power. 28. It's gonna go low any second. I think I'm literally about to finish this right now. They're all like opposite sides. Alright, One wrong move, I screw this up. And it's nearly 18 up. It's nearly 18 minutes. I mean, it's 18 minutes now. I cannot screw this up. So, counterclockwise. Wait, who press counter? Counter. What? Counter. Flip. Flop. Counter. Counter. Flip. Didn't quite get it. Didn't quite get it. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. And that's 19 minutes. One. Did it. That's a complete Rubik's Cube. It took me 19 minutes. And actually, yeah, it took 7 attempts. Yeah. And that's how I solve my Rubik's Cube. Yeah. So I remember I got my first Rubik's Cube at 7 years old. And I solved it 10 years later. Wow. And yeah, this is my run at cubing. And I've completed it. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.